Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the probiotic bottle and wipe the neck with a clean tissue. Attach the manufacturer dropper and draw the exact dose. Use 5 drops, equal to 0. 5 ml, once daily unless your pediatrician prescribes otherwise. Confirm the product lists an infant-appropriate strain such as Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG or Bifidobacterium, and check the expiration date and lot number on the label. If your baby is preterm, has a medical condition, or is immunocompromised, consult a pediatrician before beginning any probiotic. Hold your baby upright and calm, and place 5 drops directly into the inner cheek or onto the nipple for breastfeeding so the infant ingests them naturally. Slowly release the drops to minimize choking or gagging. Do not squirt rapidly toward the throat. If your baby refuses, try mixing the 5 drops into no more than 1 teaspoon of expressed breast milk or formula immediately and feed at once. Rinse and reattach the cap. Never share droppers between infants to avoid contamination. Store the probiotic as directed on the label. If cold storage is required, refrigerate between 2 degrees C and 8 degrees C and do not freeze. Use the product within the manufacturer's open bottle window, commonly 30 days, and discard any remainder after that period to preserve potency. Keep a log with the start date, lot number, and daily dosing to track effects. Watch for adverse reactions such as rash, fever, persistent vomiting, or worsening feeding. Stop the drops and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.